Today with us we have Srimati Anu Garg, a 1991 batch IAS officer from the Odisha cadre. She is currently serving as the Chief Secretary of the state and she is the first woman bureaucrat to hold this portfolio in the state of Odisha. In this episode of Sushasan, we will be discussing about two major aspects of Odisha for which the state is well known: women empowerment and water conservation. Do watch out for this episode of Sushasan.
You know, I was in class 2 and when we were asked to write an essay on what is your aim in life, and with my baby fingers I had written, I want to be an IAS officer. And we have set a very ambitious target. So from a $113 billion economy that Odisha is, we have to move to $500 billion. So almost 5 times my GSDP has to grow, and that is by 2036, and then we are targeting $1.5 trillion economy by 2047. So the priorities therefore are industrialization, infrastructure development and all that. But at the same time, the cutting theme across all this will always be women-led development. The government came first cabinet decision was to launch Subhadra. We are giving 10,000 to each woman through DBT straight into her account. Recently, in fact, there was a study which was done by the State Bank of India, which has come up with some very, very good results. You may have heard that Pradhan Mantri ji always talks of Lakpati Didi.
Correct.
Yeah. So in our state, we now have around 21 lakh such Lakpati Didis. One of my earliest postings was as the SDM of a district called Kalahandi. Kalahandi was infamous for starvation deaths, abject poverty, sale of children, routine droughts, and for me, it was eye-opening. Suktel, by its very name, Sukha, Suktel. That time in 2004, when the dam was conceptualized, in fact, when I joined 3 years before that, no work had been allowed by the people. I upscaled the priority, meaning that right from the highest level, they were all collector, SP, DFO. They were told that this has to be done. One of our most remote districts of Malkangiri, and where somehow the bridge, we were not able to bridge it because there was a Naxal presence.
Right.
With a lot of difficulty, multiple attempts later, we were able to construct that bridge and open up that area suddenly to development and all that.